Today's tropical tablescape is super budget friendly. So let me tell you about what I'm using.
Melamine plates from the Dollar Tree. These bowls, a thrift find, $2.99 for 2, 4, 6. Dollar Tree placemats, napkins. These I got from the discounts. No, I think they were Home Goods for $3.99 each. And then Dollar Tree. So let's put together this budget-friendly tablescape.
I started by using 2 Dollar Tree kitchen towels and I laid them down across my outdoor bar to use as a runner. Then I came back in with a clear apothecary jar filled with pink, hot pink, and fuchsia florals. I picked up those pineapples from the Dollar Tree as well and spray painted them gold. And there you have it, a beautiful, budget-friendly, tropical tablescape.
That is coming out super cute. So, let me wash these up and I'll be right back with you. These are DIY, a little hair clip on a Dollar Tree napkin ring.
Once I add a few more elements, it's time to head to the reveal. Happy Tablescape Tuesdays all, the weekly open collab hosted by the Ladies of Elegance, which are myself and the Grace Life DIY home decor. Links to both our channels as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. So make sure you visit the playlist for some awesome tablescape inspiration. If you're enjoying today's video, please be sure to give your girl a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. And let me take this moment to thank both my new subscribers and my die-hard subscribers who have rode with me since the very beginning. Thank you. Thank you so much for your support. And thank you to all of the beautiful ladies who participate in Tablescape Tuesdays on a regular basis. You guys are rock stars and you show up and show out each and every time. Anna and I appreciate you so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.